The federal government says it has recovered arable land in the northern parts of the country from a baseline of 90 hectares in 2019 to 6,007 hectares as at the second quarter of 2022. The Minister of Environment, Mr. Mohammed Abdullahi, said these are the PMB Administration Scorecard 2015 to 2023 series organized by the Ministry of Information and Culture in Abuja. Abdullahi said that the ministry had also increased the number of trees, orchards, and woodlots from 1,080 to 9,048,900 in 2022. According to him, about 8,705 solar home lighting systems have been distributed to households in the 11 frontline states. Abdullahi said in a bid to stem the incessant menace of annual flooding across the country, the ministry had prepared a national policy on erosion and flood control. He said the ministry had deployed some strategies, including establishments of web-based flood early warning systems at 302 locations, towns and cities to mitigate flooding.
So far, we've been able to recover arable land in the northern part of the country from a baseline of 90 hectares in 2019 to 6,000 hectares as at second quarter of this year. We've increased the number of trees, orchards, planted from 1,080,000 to about 9,048,000 to this year. We have constructed 21 motorized boreholes around Zamfara, Sokoto, Kyobe, and Borno states to provide water for irrigation and other agricultural activities. We've trained and equipped about 2,136 Nigerians with vocational skills in the alternative livelihood scheme between the periods under review. A total number of 304 solar-powered boreholes, each with a steel overhead tank, gatehouse, animal drinking trough, 2 standalone solar street light systems have been constructed. Similarly, 8,705 solar home lighting scheme systems have been distributed to households in the 11 frontline states. We've established 252 hectares of low-pressure drip irrigation marketable gardens for rural women across the 11 frontline states and conducted 165 school outreach programs across 11 frontline states. You will recall that, Mr. President, last 2 years, on the sidelines of hunger, indeed made commitments that we're going to plant about 25 million trees over a period of 3-4 years. From the angle of the National Agency for GW alone, they've been able to plant about 945,240 trees. It's an aggregation of so many efforts by various MDAs of government, not only the Ministry of Environment. There are a number of agencies in the Ministry of Agriculture and Water Resources that are also planting trees. So this aggregation of the various efforts, when you harmonize them, we're inching towards the 25 million trees target.